Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, Today we are discussing about uh, the continuation our video related to the in introduction of the establishing nuclear power program. Okay, introducing nuclear power program. I recommend you to watching first, so you can get the complete informations. Now today, I'm going to discuss about the main activity, role, and responsibility of the key organizations in the phase one of nuclear power plant program. For your information that this material, all reference is taken from the IA publications. This is the open access documents. I read the reference in the final of the presentations. Okay, our outline is the here our video before about the milestone in the development of national infrastructure for nuclear program for nuclear power. In this video, we are discuss about the milestone, each milestone of the nuclear power plant, and then some issues in those milestone. Now we are focused on the phase one in the milestones. Okay, there are three milestones in the implementation of nuclear program, and today we just focus in the phase one. The We want to know the main activity to implement national nuclear power program and establish required infrastructure. And then we also want to know about the role and responsibility of the key organizations in phase one and some common observation and recommendations from the phase one from the IAEA Tech Doc, the lesson learned about the review of the nuclear infrastructure. Okay, uh, in our video before, uh, we have learned about the infrastructure issue and milestones in nuclear power program. There are three milestones, and each milestones is divided into 19 issues. Okay, there are 19 issues. One is national positions, is about the commitment of the country to declare the nuclear power program. And then issue number two about the nuclear safety. And then number three related to the management. And then funding and financings. And then legislative framework. And then the safeguards. This is the important things to secure or to ensure the nuclear material is for peaceful purposes. And then regulatory framework, and then electrical grid, and then human resource development, and then stakeholder involvement, and then site and supporting facility, and next issue about the environmental protections and emergency planning. Then next about the security and physical protections, and then the nuclear fuel cycle, and then the radioactive waste management, next about the industrial involvement, and last about the procurement of the activity of nuclear power program. Each milestones have 19 issues, and then milestone 2 also have 19 issues, and the milestone 3 also have 19 issues. Oh, okay. This is the chart or picture about the infrastructure development plan from the IAEA guidance or IAEA publications. The IAEA split to the three parts. One about the milestone one. Milestone one, the target is to ready to make knowledgeable commitment to nuclear program. And we call in phase one is the feasibility study. The activity is consideration before decision to launch nuclear program is taken. And then milestone two, the target is ready to invite bids for the first NPP for constructions. And then the activity in phase two is preparatory work for the construction of NPP after policy decision has been taken. And then phase three, the target is ready to commission and operate the first MVP. The activity in phase three about the activity to implement first NPP. And then after the phase three is maintenance and then operations and continuous infrastructure improvement until the operation of nuclear power plant is finished, and then we perform the commissioning to the nuclear facility. Okay, this is the summary of the milestone approach to nuclear power. There are three phases. One is we call consider, and then phase two is prepare, and phase three is construct. And then the milestone is decide, contract, and commission. And then we have 19 infrastructure issues. Okay. Okay. In each phase, um, there are some key organizations, but IAEA is beside there are three key organizations. One is a government, and we can call NPO because uh, is the uh, compilations or consortium of the ministry or organizations to implement or preparation of nuclear power program. And the second one is the regulatory body, and the third one about is the owner or operator. In each space has three key organizations there. Okay, this is the function or responsibility of each organizations. Government or NEPIO have responsibility to implement and coordinations. The regulatory body to oversight for safety, security, and some country have regulatory body to inspection and then to develop regulation also. And for the owner or operator, they have uh, prime responsibility for safety and security and for the NPP project development and implementations. Um, this is the relevant organizations from government. Uh, it's part of government like Ministry of Energy, Ministry of Environment, Security Authority, local and national, and also from the academic academicians institute, like a technical or academical institution. Okay. Um, in slide before, we we know that there are 19 issues in phase one. So the first issue is about national positions. So what is the role or the responsibility government in national position in phase one? Uh, the EIA has give give an example, ya, an example of the task of the NEPIO, or task of the government. One is establish a mechanism NEPIO mandate by high-level authority in government to coordinate the activity for the nuclear power program and define its term of reference. So in phase one is a important activity. So government establish a mechanism, an NEPIO, by high-level authority, maybe from by the act or government regulations, and then uh, the government also define or coordinate what is the function of the NEPIO. In IAIA, NEPIO is abbreviation, or yes, abbreviation from Nuclear Energy Program Implementing Organizations. They may include government official as well as member of the professional and technical committees. So this is the, like, uh, the group of the government or institutions from official government, uh, also from professional and technical committee. And then the task government in national position is prepare with the NEPIO to to define a national schedule and timeline for the development of national infrastructure, for roadmap, and then and elaborate and adopt, sorry, what's my slide? Elaborate and adopt clear statement which contain the government intention to develop a national nuclear power program and its commitment to safety, security, and non-proliferation. This is the task of government for the first issue in national positions. Okay, and then in national position, the NEPIO, the task is establish a working group to evaluate all aspects of introducing nuclear power, and then establish working process and procedure, and then coordinate the development of pre-feasibility study required for the comprehensive report, and then prepare a comprehensive report that define and justify a national strategy for nuclear power. And the last one is coordinate a self-evaluation of the status of national nuclear power infrastructure development. Okay, this is the task or the function of NEPIO in the phase one in the national position issue. Okay, and then the second issue is nuclear safety. Government and NEPIO have some functions. One is consider element of national policy and strategy for safety from ASU safety fundamentals, and then coordinate activity to assess or establish safety infrastructure, then prepare for participation in the global nuclear safety regime. Uh, Also assess the need to provide technical support to the regulatory body or operating organization for the safe operation of NPP. The other function is seek advice on safety from other states and international organizations and perform analyze area knowledge needed to assess safety on FMPP. This is the task or function NEPIO in the nuclear safety. Then in management, the government or NEPIO is are perform the task to ensure a commitment to leadership and management system to promote safety and security culture, and then plan to appoint or train leader. This is the key, the important thing. Then for funding and financings, the government perform to identify and potential funding mechanism and analyze financial option and associate risks. Okay. Okay. So the funding and financings, the NEPIO to identify the potential funding mechanism and analyze financial options. For the legal framework, the government and NEPIO perform to identify relevant international legal instruments and then identify the elements of comprehensive nuclear law and actions on timescales for its enactments and identify the legislation that affect nuclear power and need to be enacted and amended. Oh, okay. For this is the important one related to legal framework. The NEPIO must do in this space. Next, okay. And then in the safeguards issues, the government perform to identify additional safeguard effort needed for introduction of nuclear power program. And then for regulatory framework, the NEPIO have to recognize the need for an independent and competent regulatory body. Okay, okay. Recognize and the need for independent and competent regulatory body. Then propose a regulatory framework considering existing framework and international experience. Then identify prospective senior manager for the regulatory body. Oh, identify prospective senior manager for the regulatory body. This is the task from government or NEPIO. For radioactive waste management, the NEPIO or government do the identify how the radiation protection program will need to be enhanced to address NPP operation, transport, storage, and radioactive waste management. Okay, this for radioactive waste management to identify how the radiation protection is implemented or enhanced. Okay. For electrical grid, government perform study the connection of nuclear power plant with electrical grid on the for human resource development to identify the scientific, technical, managerial, and administrative disciplines needed for the program, and then assess the domestic and foreign capacity for the training the people, assess the domestic, okay, and then develop the outline of national human resource plan and then align the human resource plan with the country's policy. Okay, this is the for the human resource development and electrical grid. Okay, next. In the stakeholder involvement, government do the conduct survey and public knowledge and receptiveness of nuclear power, then develop public information tools. Okay, develop and implement plan of interaction with all stakeholders, including neighboring country. Okay, okay. And then train senior staff to engage with stakeholder. Then report on the view and propose a stakeholder involvement plan for phase two. Okay. Okay. For site and supporting facility, NEPIO perform or conduct a site survey to investigate potential regions and site and reject unsuitable sites. Okay, this is the task from NEPIO, yeah. Conduct a site survey to investigate potential region. Okay. For environmental protections, the government or NEPIO wants want to review existing framework for environmental protection and international obligations, and then collect and analyze initial environmental information, and then consider impact on people and the environment. From emergency planning, government and NEPIO evaluate the status of emergency preparedness and response and the need to expand current arrangement for nuclear power. Okay. Then from nuclear security issues, government or NEPIO prepare recommendation for national policy and strategy for nuclear security, role or responsibility and international legal instruments. Yes, okay, okay. Okay. Next, from nuclear fuel cycle, the government or NEPIO identify the steps in the nuclear fuel cycle and potential source of supply and service, identify security and non-proliferation implications, and evaluate feasible option for a national fuel cycle strategy covering both from front and back ends. Okay, this is the task of government or NEPIO in the nuclear fuel cycle. Okay, from for reductive waste management, government need to identify additional responsibility for reductive waste management associated with nuclear power program. Identify additional responsibility. Okay. Okay. Next, in the industrial involvement, government or NEPIO assess opportunity for national and local industrial involvement, considering current capacity and require quality standards. Okay. And then develop industrial involvement policy. And for procurement, the government or NEPIO recommend a procurement policy that is consistent with the unique requirements associated with purchasing equipment and services for nuclear facility. This is the task of the government or NEPIO in procurement issues. So what can we what can we learn from the observation in from the INR Phase 1 missions? The IEA has published the recommendation to government or NEPIO in the lesson learned from the INR Phase 1 missions. This is from the IEA Tech Doc. One is the recommendation one about the completion and updating of energy planning studies. So several countries propose the recommendations to update and completions in of energy planning study in the phase one. And then some country also updating national nuclear policy and strategy and developing a master plan for major activity. The countries measuring also completion of wants to completion of study and compilation of comprehensive reports, and then enhancing or increasing coordination among involved organization and IEA, and then enlarging NEPIO membership from other relevant stakeholder, okay, and clarifying the planning and decision needed for nuclear program. And then the last one is also important is developing of an action plan for PASA 2 as a longer term planning. This is the lesson learned from the INR Phase 1 missions conducted by IAEA in embarking country. Uh, what is the good practice from by government or NEPIO from the observation in phase one mission in the infrastructure nuclear review. Okay, one is the establishment of the operating organization and its participation in national committee, and then how to we allocation appropriate financial resources, and then uh, uh, the measures or method to be strong government support for the NEPIO, and then also consider to preparation of comprehensive feasibility study report. Then early establishment of nuclear power project team and technical committee, and also set up nuclear power program management center at an early stage to develop understanding management system requirement, safety and security and safety culture. Safety and safety culture. This is the good practice by. Okay, the summary in from our discussings today is phase one consideration and planning phase where all the necessary study and plan from the 19 infrastructure issues are conducted from by government to make knowledgeable decision for nuclear power. And then second one, APO should be clearly charged at high level and given necessary authority and resource to perform its mandates. Then, government commitment and effective coordination with all relevant stakeholders are key success factors in preparing the necessary detailed study. Okay, this is the our reference. We can download from the AI or publications. The reference uh, we use from the milestone in the development of national nuclear infrastructure for nuclear power. Then tech doc 1779, and then Tech Dog 1947. Okay. Okay, thank you, gentlemen, from your participation and uh, comment, input, questions, opinion. Thank you. I'll write them in the comments column if you have questions, and I hope you can share with your friend or colleague if this video is useful. Okay, thank you, and see you in our video next time.